Welcome back to another quick answer to a quick question. If you have a question you want me to answer about selling online, Etsy, Pinterest, whatever, post it in the comments and I'll try to get to it. Today's question came from someone who said they do not accept returns. Their conversion rate is a little below 1%. And do I think that that might be affecting the whole selling process? It might be, because if you don't accept returns, what happens is people who are interested in buying will come to the listing and they'll be reading the options and it says no returns accepted. A lot of them will say, no, I'm not interested. I'm bouncing off, and they leave because people want that assurance that maybe if they don't like it or for whatever reason, then they can just return it. So what you want to do, and this is what I do, because I technically don't need to accept returns because everything that I sell is edible. So I could say it's food, which, but sometimes people get something too late for an event or they can't use it, or I'm not sure what this person was selling. Maybe they just don't like it. It doesn't fit, whatever the reason. You want to give people a return option. And in some countries, you have to, depending what it is. If it's a custom item that is completely made for that person, specifically that you could not resell to someone else, then you might not have to accept returns. But for most things that you could resell if you got it back in sellable shape, then you do have to accept it in some countries. So you need to look at the laws where you are. But I would set up just the shortest return policy that you can. Okay. But set up a short return policy and just say people have to return it within 1 to 3 days or they have to contact you. I don't know what the shortest is on Etsy that you can put, but a lot of people want that assurance that they can either cancel the order or return it because they just don't want to be locked in. And if they do see that they can't return things, they might skip off of your listing and go buy from someone else. So try it out. If you put a return policy in that's very short and very restrictive, but it still will take away that little thing that says no returns accepted. That's the important thing. If people come to the listing and it says no returns accepted, they're not even going to read any details. If they come to the listing that says returns accepted, they may or may not read the details, but that takes away that one piece of doubt. So if you change that and everything, increases and your conversion rate increases, then maybe that did help. But try it out. It's the kind of thing that you really need to try out for yourself to see if it makes a difference. If every single thing that you do is customized and you cannot return, you can't resell it if it's returned to you, you don't have to accept returns other than damage. Like if you do something wrong, or it gets there and it's been destroyed, then that's a different situation and you can put that in your policies. But just saying no returns accepted will turn people off. All right, so give this video a thumbs up. If you have a question you want me to answer, post it in the comments and I will talk to you later.